See, we don't want these fields: title, first name, last name, company, address. I don't want these field names. I want the field names like this. For sending any letter, we need the field names like this: name, address, father name. For that, I am clicking on this customize columns. I am deleting all these fields. I am deleting all these field names. I am adding my choice based field names. For that, click on delete. See here, click on delete. See here, delete. Yes, so click on delete. Yes, if you want to be these field names, yes, you can. So if you don't want these delete, if you don't want to delete these field names, means yes, you can take these fields also, but I don't want these fields, that's why I'm deleting these field names. Okay, so now I'm adding my field names like this: name. So now I'm typing the field name, click on OK. Again click on add another field. I'm adding father name, add uh, district, pin code, uh, town name, okay, and state. So I'm giving state. Click on OK. Okay, only 5 field names I have taken. If you want more means you can take and click on OK. Okay, right, you observe the field names. Whatever the field names I have given, that field names are there: name, father name, district, pin code. Here you enter the details, okay, of the friends whom you are sending this birthday invitation letters. You provide the details here. Now I am providing the details here: name Raju. So for example, I have taken this one. Okay, for example, I'm taking this one. Father name. So whatever the father name you have of your friend, you can type here. For example, so now I'm typing for example. Okay, district Yavatmal. For example, I'm taking a pin code. Town Tigras. So like that, you have to enter the clear details of your friends for whom you are sending this letter, and the second person, second friend for whom you are sending this letter, for whom you are inviting the party, birthday party of your party. Enter their details here. Okay, you can add house number, complete. We can give that uh, field names. House number also you can give. If you want to give, you can give another field names also. Just I have taken here name, father name, district, pin code, town, state. Okay, here Maharashtra state. See here if you want to enter into the next box, just press the tab button in the keyboard. Okay, after finishing the state, if you want to enter into the next person details, you have to press the tab button in the keyboard. For example, I am taking this one, Nanded. It's the pin code, Pusad. First, how many members you are inviting your birthday party, that many members details you have to provide here. Okay, Naina taken. Again Pusad, Arni, I am taking Arni. Okay, only 4 members I am inviting for my birthday party. Okay, if you want to invite 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 also you can invite. That means you have to provide the details of all the members. Click on OK. It is asked for save. See here, save address list. You can give any name here, whatever the name you want you can give. So now I am giving XYZ to save this address list. Click on save. Again click on OK. Okay, here see, I want to insert the sender's address here. The mouse you are seeing now, here I want to insert the sender address. So for that, observe the option very carefully. Insert merge field. In that you have all the field names whatever we have entered there. So that we have to enter here.